Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to check in on the Royal Caribbean app. First, make sure you have the Royal Caribbean app installed and open it. Log in with the same email you used to book your cruise and make sure your booking is confirmed. Next, tap My Trips at the bottom of the screen and select your cruise. From there, start the check-in process. You'll fill in some basic info like passenger details, travel plans, and payment info for onboard purchases. Once everything is confirmed, your digital SeaPass will be ready in the app. You can save it on your phone or print it if you like. That's it, just show your SeaPass and ID at the terminal and you're ready to board. Thanks for watching and have an amazing cruise. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.